A warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the components of your financial statement in your next video regarding your playlist of your financial managements. So the important term which we are going to analyze is regarding your financial statements. Why we are considering the financial statements is it records the financial activities and position of a business of the organization. The crucial information for the stakeholders to assess the entity's financial performance, liquidity, solvency and overall health. It is important. So we are considering the financial statement as most important one to be analyzed inside an organization. So the main components of the financial statements are: first one is your balance sheet. As you all know, the balance sheet provides a snapshot of the organization financial position at a specific point of time, that is end of the reporting period. It presents the assets, that is the resources owned, and the liabilities, obligations owned by the entity to external parties, that is including current liabilities, say for example accounts payable, short-term debt, non-current liabilities, etc. And then your equity. So it is a combination of, balance sheet is a combination of assets, liabilities and equity. The equity is the residual interest in the organization's asset after deducting the liabilities representing the shareholders' equity or the owner's equity. So the debt and equity speaks about the strength of any organization. So this is most important. And then next one is regarding your income statement, that is your profit and loss statement. This income statement report reports the organization's financial performance over a specific period, just like your balance sheet, and it usually covers expenses, gains, losses and revenues. It includes revenue, expenses, gains and losses. So revenue is nothing but the amount income generated from the sale of goods, including service revenue, interest, etc. Expenses is the cost incurred in the ordinary course of your operation. Example, operating expenses, depreciation, interest and tax. Gains and losses, it is the additional items affecting the income, that is gains from assets, sale of your assets. Income, it may be investment incomes, or the losses from the discontinued operations. So the balance sheet and the profit and loss account plays a major role in your financial statements. Just like that, we have a cash flow statement, that is summarizing the organization's cash inflows and outflows during the specific period. That is categorizing cash flows into three main components. One is your operational activities, another one is your investment activities, another one is your financing activities. So operating activities, it is the primary business activity, that is cash receipt from sales and payments to suppliers, employees and other operating expenses. Then investment activities, the cash flows from acquisition or disposal of long-term assets, including property, plant, equipment, investment and other capital expenditures. Then financing activities, cash flows related to the organization's financing activities, including proceedings from borrowing, issuance of equity, etc. Then statement of changes in equity, that is the statement of retained earnings. So the statement of changes in equity provides a summary of changes in the organization's equity during the reporting period, including contributions from the shareholders, distributions to the shareholders and retained earnings. As you all know, the contribution to the shareholders is must, increasing the equity resulting from new investment or the additional contributions, it has to be distributed to the shareholders. And distribution to the shareholders decreases in equity resulting from dividends or distributions to shareholders. And then finally your retained earnings, changes in the retained earnings due to net income or loss, adjustments for prior period errors and other changes in equity. So these are all the major things which we have to consider in case of your financial statement. So this financial statement analysis helps us to have a clear view of the fund organization inside an organization. So kindly keep in touch and watch my videos further videos will be uploaded regarding your financial management, and it will be more useful for you to know in depth regarding your financial management. Thank you.